Natarajan worked as a music teacher at a government school. Since he never married, he didn't have a family of his own. Therefore, he devoted his life passionately teaching music to children. When he reached retirement age, he retired from his job. He spent his retirement years at home, teaching children music. He supported his old age with the income from this, along with his pension. One day, a boy named Nimlan came to the class to learn music along with his mother Lakshmi. His mother said to the teacher, "Since my husband has passed away, I go to many houses to do household work in order to earn an income, and with the money I earn, I am sending him to school and to this class as well." Hearing this, the teacher enrolled Nimlan in the music class. As soon as Nimlan entered the class and the teacher looked at his face, he immediately understood that he had no interest or passion for learning music. However, since his mother, Nataraj, was sending him to the class with the income she earned from laboring without her husband, the teacher decided to try her best to make him a good musician, as per Lakshmi's wish. But Nimlan came to class without interest and left after each session. One day, he suddenly stopped coming to class. Since the teacher knew he had no interest in it, he didn't make much of it. But then, Nimlan stopped attending class altogether. In this situation, one day, a large-scale children's music competition was going to be held in the town, and it was to be organized at the state level. The organizing team contacted Natarajan over the phone, saying, "Please send the names of the best trained students from your music class." Nimlan called the teacher, saying, "I really want to participate in this competition and win. Please send my name for the music competition." The teacher replied, "You haven't received proper training, so you won't be able to sing." Immediately, Nimlan went to meet the teacher in person, and after pleading, she reluctantly agreed and sent his name to the organizers. Since the teacher had no faith in Nimlan, he thought that he would likely not participate in the competition, for some reason. The day of the competition arrived. Each student performed their best and left the stage after their turn. Then, Nimlan's name was announced. The teacher was afraid, how will he sing? Nimlan stood up on the stage. Even highly trained singers would find it difficult to sing in the Siddha Dhanyasi raga. However, as soon as Nimlan began to sing in that raga, the entire auditorium became silent, without even a small sound. Then, he sang excellently for 5 minutes, leaving the audience astonished. Everyone in the auditorium stood up, clapped, and cheered for him. They all praised him, saying, "You will become a great singer." The teacher was shocked, unable to believe what he had witnessed. After the event ended and everyone had left, the teacher met Nimlan alone and asked, "How were you able to sing so well in such a difficult raga?" Nimlan replied, "Teacher, when I didn't attend class for a couple days, it was because I took my mother who had hearing problems to a doctor so she can be capable of hearing again. Due to my mother Lakshmi's treatment and our inability to pay for the singing class, I couldn't attend regularly. My mother's long-time wish was for me to sing well and for her to hear me perform. I practiced so that I could fulfill her wish. Earlier, the reason I didn't attend the class properly was that even though I sang well, my mother couldn't hear it, so I lacked interest in learning music. But now, since my mother can sit in the front of this hall and listen to my song, during this interim period, I have taught myself music through media and books, and that is how I was able to sing in this raga," he said and finished. The teacher hugged him and said, "You will become a great singer," and wished him. The reason we give up on doing a work is not just because of our lack of confidence, but also because we don't have a strong reason to do it, and because we don't feel any obligation to complete it. As a result, we're not doing that task. Nimlan initially had no strong reason to learn music. Even though he could sing, his mother couldn't hear it, so there was no motivation for him to pursue it. But now, it was different. His loving mother, Lakshmi, could now hear him sing, and the strong reason to fulfill her long-held wish motivated him to put in his own effort. He taught himself and sang in the most difficult raga to win the competition. His success was due to the love he had for his mother and the strong drive to fulfill her wish. To accomplish something difficult, one must find a strong reason to do it, the teacher realized at that moment.